When I go about determining the best format for my science communication, I first of all ask the question, what is the impact that I want to reach with my communication activities? Secondly, based on that impact, I try to develop a theory of change, meaning how do I reach that target and what are the main audiences and the stakeholder groups that I like to interact with. And only then, in the third step, once I have the impact and the theory of change, this is where I then start thinking about what is a good format to reach the different stakeholder groups that I determined before, and that can then fulfill my target of reaching the overall impact that I determined in the beginning. I think the main challenge is to find the right level of communication. So on the one hand, I don't want to be too simplistic, assuming what's commonly called the deficit model of an uneducated layperson audience and an educated expert, and then the challenge is to transfer that knowledge from experts to lay people. So I don't want to be too simplistic. At the same time, I also want to be too complicated, like when I address an academic audience and I use a lot of academic expressions. So the challenge is to find really the middle ground between these too simplistic and too complicated levels, and to find exactly the right wording to engage with my audience.